Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion with the electrodes that are used for measurement of ECG, electrocardiogram signal. In the previous video we discussed about the limb and floating electrodes that are used for ECG measurement. In this video we are going to discuss about the other two types of electrodes, which are Welsh cup electrode, which is also called as suction cup electrode, and pre-gelled disposable electrodes. So I have already posted a video related to ECG where I have covered all the basic concepts related to that. Still, just to brush up a few concepts, electrocardiogram is the recording of the electrical activity associated with the functioning of the heart, and ECG is a periodical and rhythmically repeating signal which is synchronized with the heartbeat. And the amplitude range of ECG signal is from 0.1 to 5 microvolt, and frequency range is from 0.05 to 120 hertz. The electrodes that are used for measurement of ECG are these: limb, floating, pre-gel disposable electrode, pasteless electrode, capacitive electrode, air jet electrode, and Welsh cup electrode. So in this video we are going to discuss about the pre-gelled disposable electrode and the Welsh cup electrode. We have already discussed about limb and floating electrodes, and about capacitive, pasteless, and air jet we'll discuss it in a separate video. So the Welsh cup electrode or suction cup electrode. So as this name suggests, okay, the Welsh cup or suction cup, this electrode has its shape in the its design, okay, in the form of a cup. Okay, it looks something like this, and the principle by which it is held together at the body part around the chest is because of the suction force. Okay, it is just placed on a particular body part around the chest, and by suction force the contact is achieved. Okay, so generally it is a metallic cup shaped electrode. Okay, and this electrode is particularly used for fleshy portions, okay, where other types of electrodes are difficult to connect. Because of the suction force around the fleshy regions, this electrode gets held on very nicely. Okay, and the contact impedance for the suction electrode, it is very high, of the order of kilo ohm. Okay, and as I said, it gets very easily attached with the fleshy parts of the body, and electrode jelly and paste is used to achieve contact. Now this is the typical design of a suction cup or Welsh type electrode. So this metallic cup, which is generally made of basically it is made of silver with silver and rubber mixture, which makes it a bit elastic and it can be squeezed, and this contact surface is connected to the specific fleshy region around the chest for the recording of the ECG signal. And then we have this lead wire which measures the ECG signal and converts it, this transducer, by suitable transduction principle, it is converted to a suitable voltage or current signal, and it is then fed to the signal conditioning processing units and then to the output circuitry. Okay, so this is the Welsh cup or suction cup electrode. Now the next type of electrode which is used is the pre-gelled disposable electrodes. Now this electrode, as the name suggests, it is disposable in nature. That is, it is generally used for a certain number of times and then it is discarded. So these electrodes are generally used for long term monitoring of the ECG signal, okay, in ICUs for the monitoring of the vital parameters, which includes the ECG signal, and also for high stress measurements where the pressure or force involved is very high. Now they overcome, okay, they have special characteristic features which helps them overcome severe application of force or pressure, sweat, okay, perspiration and motion artifacts because of body movements. Now what enables this electrode to overcome these problems is a high absorbency buffer electrolyte, okay, isotonic electrolyte, which forms a buffer layer. Okay, this buffer layer of isotonic electrolyte absorbs the effects of pressure, perspiration or sweat and motion artifacts because of body movements. Now this is the general design of the pre-gelled disposable electrode. Now it is generally made of silver, okay, and it consists of a suitable electrolytic solution. Okay, it consists of a suitable chloride containing electrolytic solution. Now because of this chloride containing electrolytic solution, a certain portion of this silver metallic electrode, this region, gets converted into silver chloride. Okay, silver chloride, AgCl. Okay, now this buffer electrolyte, which has high absorbency features, which absorbs the effect of motion artifacts because of body movements, stress, high stress, pressure, force, and also the effects of sweat. Now the contact is made to the skin with the help of a suitable adhesive, electrode, paste or jelly, and the shielding of this electrode is done with the help of thermoplastic rubber, which forms the body of this electrode. Okay, now this is the connecting lead, okay, which takes the voltage or current signal, okay, which is the output of the ECG in the form of voltage or current, and feeds it to the signal conditioning and processing circuitry for measurement and analysis purposes. Okay, now this silver chloride and this chloride containing electrolyte, this has special characteristics, okay, which I said it can absorb the features of okay, it can absorb the sweat, high stress or force, and the effects of the body movements, reducing motion artifacts. So the thickness of this electrode generally in the range of 4 to 6 cm, and the contact impedance of these electrodes is also of the order of kilo ohms. Okay, the skin contact impedance. Now it is because of this special feature of the buffer electrolyte, this electrode is used for long-term monitoring and for patient monitoring systems. Okay, so here are the two electrodes that are used for, another two electrodes that are used for ECG measurement. First is the Welsh cup or suction cup electrodes, and next is the pre-gelled disposable electrodes. Okay, now the remaining electrodes, which are the pasteless, capacitive and air jet, we'll discuss in a separate video. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.